Seniors everywhere are getting bombarded with emails about Medicare, free kits, gift cards, or quick surveys that claim to be from Medicare or a big insurance company. The truth? These emails aren't about Medicare at all. They're about collecting and selling your information. In this video, we pull back the curtain on how these phony Medicare emails and surveys really work. You'll see how companies buy senior lists, dangle free gifts, and then flood your phone with sales calls you never asked for. But there's a better way. At MedicareSelfEnroll.com, we don't send unsolicited emails. We don't call you. We don't sell or share your name. And we don't hound you. Your privacy stays your privacy, period. With Medicare Self Enroll, you can compare plans from most of the major insurance carriers, side by side, all in one place. It's like booking a flight or reserving an Airbnb, simple, private, and pressure-free. And if you've got questions, our FAQ/Q&A is available 24/7, with straight answers you can trust. Don't get trapped by shady Medicare emails. Take control of your choices today at MedicareSelfEnroll.com.